In this video I want to demonstrate how to add the fillets and then thicken these surfaces into a part as shown here. First I'll stop the section view, then I'll Control Tab back to my other part, and I want to add fillets around my part, so I'm going to select fillet. The first fillet size will be a 1/2 inch. I'll select this edge and I'll use the selection manager here and I'll select these next 7 edges as well, and I'll right click to accept that. I'll activate fillet again. This time I want my fillet size to be 1/8, and I'm just going to window select everything so it adds fillets around the rest following the tangent propagation method, and it's going to take a minute to find and add all those. I'll right click to accept that, and then I'll just look at my part, make sure I didn't miss any fillets. I'll go back to the isometric view. Next thing I want to do is I want to thicken the surface into a solid. So I'm going to choose Thicken. Up here it says, what do you want to thicken? So I'm going to choose the surface, and I can go offset one way, both ways, or just the other way. So I'm going to choose offset this method, make the thickness 60 thou. The other option I have is I could tell it to make a solid, so there would be no wall thickness, it would just fill the volume. But I want a 60 thou wall thickness offset to the inside, so I'm going to say OK. We'll give it a minute. Looks good. You'll notice I now have a solid body. The only two surface bodies remaining are the hidden revolved surfaces I created. I'm going to minimize this, and then I'm just going to choose the right plane and do a section view to check it. It looks good, so I'll cancel that. I'm going to save my work, and in the next video we'll continue from there.